Welcome to our channel. Activating your Regions Bank virtual card enables secure online shopping without exposing your physical card details. Step 1. Log into your Regions Bank online banking account through the official website or mobile app using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section and select the option for Card Management or Virtual Cards. Step 3. Locate your new virtual card in the list of available cards and click on it to view details. Step 4. Select the Activate Card option, which may be labeled as Enable or Turn on depending on your interface. Step 5. Review the virtual card information including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code displayed on your screen. Step 6. Confirm your identity by entering a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Step 7. Set spending limits for your virtual card if this option is available, helping you control online purchases. Step 8. Save the virtual card details in a secure password manager or write them down in a safe location. Step 9. Test your virtual card by making a small online purchase to verify it works properly. Your Regions Bank virtual card is now active and provides an extra layer of security for internet transactions while keeping your primary card information safe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.